morning students, welcome to you all 11th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 4 ledger. So first chapter we learn journal. So after that we are going to learn ledger. In accounting the second step is ledger. So first we are going to learn the exercise number 1. Journalize the following transaction and post them to the ledger. So the transactions are given. 2016 January 1 started business with the cash. So started business with the cash. So what is the entry? You all know that journal entry format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first date 1/1/2016 started business with the cash. So cash comes in. So we have to write on the debit side. So cash account debtor to capital com. So commence the business with the cash. Narration we have to write being started business with the cash. So the amount 10,000. So second date 5/1/16 cash paid into bank. Paid into bank means cash paid into bank. So what goes out? Cash. So who is the receiver? Bank. So receiver, you know that personal account rules, debit the receiver. Real account rules, what goes out? Credit. So cash goes out. So to cash account being paid into bank. Being paid into bank. Amount 5,000. Then date next 7/1/2016 purchased the goods from Ram for cash. So purchase account debtor, what goes out? Cash. So to cash account being purchased for cash. Purchased for cash. Amount 1,000. So journal is finished. Next we are going to prepare the ledger. Next we are going to prepare the cash account ledger. So debit side 4 column, date, particulars, amount, JF. The same come to the credit side, date, particulars, JF, amount. This is the format of ledger. Okay. So first we are going to prepare the cash account. So in journal entry, so first one started business with the cash. So what is the entry? Cash account to capital. So cash is appear in the debit side. So we have to write on the debit side date 1/1/17. So we have to write here to capital account. To capital account. Okay. So the journal entry is cash account debtor to capital. So cash account is debit side. So we have to write on the debit side, but we have to write the opposite account. What is the opposite account? Capital account. So we have to write here to capital account, amount 10,000. Okay. So next one, second entry, paid into bank. So paid into bank, what is entry? Bank account debtor to cash. So cash account is debit or credit. So credit side. So we move on to the credit side. So we have to appear in the credit side cash. So we move on to the credit side. So what is the date? Date 5/1/2016. So what should be right there? By bank account. By bank account amount 5,000. Okay. Next entry, purchased goods from for cash. So purchase account return to cash. So cash is credit side. So we move on to the credit side. We have to write by purchase account 1,000. So debit side is 10,000, credit side is 6,000. So debit side is greater. So we have to add here 10,000. So bring it to the credit side, 10,000. So remaining balance 4,000. So 5,000 plus 1,000, 6,000. 6,000 minus 10,000 minus 6,000, 4,000. The answer will call by balance carry down. So date here 31/1/2016. So the amount bring it to the next month. So 1st February 2016. To balance brought down 4,000. Next account we are going to prepare the capital account. Capital account. So capital account, first entry cash account return to capital. So capital account is credit side. So we have to write on the credit side date 1/1/2016 by cash account. By cash account amount 10,000. So no more capital account. So we have to total this 10,000. Bring it to the debit side 10,000. So here no balance. So we have to carry down. So to balance C by D. To balance C by D 31/1/2016. So bring it to the next month 1/2/2016 by balance brought down 10,000. Next we are going to prepare the bank account. So bank account date 5, bank account return to cash. So bank is debit side. So we have to write debit side 5/1/2006. So to cash account amount 5,000. So no more bank account. So we have to close here 5,000. So bring it to the credit side 5,000. So balance by balance C by D 31/1/2016. The next 1/2/2016 to balance brought down 5,000. Next account we are going to prepare purchase account. Purchase account. So purchase goods from Ram for cash. So purchase debit side. So purchase account return to cash. So date 7/1/2016 to cash account 1,000. So we have to close this. Debit side is more, so 1,000. So bring it to the credit side 1,000. So by balance C by D 1,000 31/1/2016. So to balance brought down 1,000. Date 1/2/2016. So purchase account return to cash. So purchase is debit side. So the opposite account is cash. So we have to write on the cash here. So to cash account 1,000. So you all understand this ledger. Thank you.